How to find liked videos on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find liked videos on Pinterest. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Pinterest tab, and then here once you're on your Pinterest tab, first let me like a video. So I have liked this video. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner here. Then here once you're on your profile, you have to tap on the three dots here in the top right side. Then here tap on settings, and here in settings tap on home feed tuner. Then here tap on history, and here you will see all of the videos you have liked, and you will also see all of the other things than videos. And so this is how you can find your liked videos on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.